I have it welcome user. Then I have welcome message here. I need to enhance it more. It makes no sense. It doesn't, nothing spectacular about this. It has welcome message flow. This one's supposed not to be there. Finish is supposed not to be there. And this can only be taken care of at the back end. I've created the flow at the back end. At the front end now, I'm seeing that it has some faults. It's not good. Then before anything that they start complaining, I need to remove this welcome message flow. And I also need to remove this finish. Then let me do that. For me to do that, I need to go back to the setup and go to the flow. No, yeah, let me go to the flow. I still have it open. I still have it open here. Then now let me tell you something here. Anytime you've activated your flow at the front end, you've accessed it, you are getting back to the flow again. What you need to do is that you save as. You can't edit the flow as it is. Don't try it. Don't do it. It's going to disrupt the whole thing. Don't say you just want to go and edit the flow. You can't edit like that. You need to clone the old version and make it to give you clone you clone it by making it to be a new version. Then you now say save as. That means you want to work on the flow. Click on save as. Then it's going to say a new version. Yes, to make it a new version. That one now, the first one will become an old version. You clone it now to give you a new version of it. Then you say save. Now you can now go back and edit your flow. Now you can now edit. Take note of that step. Or if you do it like that you don't click on save as, you just go directly to say you are editing it. You're gonna run into a slang. Edit element. I want to edit the element. I want to edit it. Then this one, I want to add more messages to it to say welcome user, shine bright today, shine bright today. Yes, shine bright today. Welcome user. How does it sound? It doesn't sound good. So I want to pick up a global variable that will help me to change it to such a way that it will mention my name, or it will mention any end user that log into your Salesforce platform. Then I will say, okay, user. Then I will pick a resources here. This is where I can get a resources that will help me to do that. Then user global variable. And I pick it up here. Now I can now add first name to it. I want to include first name. I want you to mention my first name. Then pick it. You say now first name. Now, if you have first name, you must definitely have last name. Then let me copy it now. I copy it. Then I give it space. Then I paste it. Then I say change this first name to last name. I don't want to go to those steps again, which I can easily pick and paste. Then last. Then last. So it's as it is now. You know what is going to happen at the front end? Instead of saying generically like welcome user, is now specifically, so far I'm a user on this platform, it's going to mention my name to say welcome Isaac Olaoshibikon. First name Isaac, last name Olaoshebikan. We now say welcome Isaac Olaoshebikan. And you know I have Jack Rich on this platform. If Jack Rich has a um, uh, the organizational wide default of Jack Rich allow Jack Rich to have access to read rights access to our project tracker application or project update. Definitely he's going to be able to access it at the end of the day if he's able to access project. Now I will say, okay, as it is, everything is good here, but there's still one thing. I don't want this welcome message to be here. I don't want this finish to be here. Then next thing I need to do now is to just come over here and say, okay, um the the footer and the header. Let me click on the header. Then it's saying show header. No, don't show it. That means that one is gone. You can see it has disappeared. Then now, footer. This one, don't bother yourself with pause and prefix. They are not going to show at the front end. The only one that is showing is this finish. Then you click on footer. Then now you look for the footer to say, okay, you want which one you want to disappear. You want to hide finish. This finish is showing at the front end. You want to hide it. You just say hide. You see now it has gone. No finish there again. Everything is good. Then you click done. Are we following, please? Any question? Any question? Now it doesn't look beautiful for me. Let me do something to make it look more beautiful. There is still something I didn't display to you. Now let me say I want to make my last name to be showing different color from my first name, or I want to make it look more colorful. There's a way I can do it. I will just say, okay, so far this is taking care of my name. Then I can go on this one to say, I want it to show green. I want it to pick green. So it's going to pick green. Then I want this one. Then I want this one to pick blue or red or anything. I can go to the last name. Pick it up. Let's say I want it to show red. Then I click done. You see now, give me different color. So you can do all those kind of fixing, you know. And then if the two front are not okay for me, I can make it more bigger to say it's okay now. I click done. Now I click save. You see now I click save again. Then I activate. I don't need to debug. What we've done will be good. So let me go to the front end and see what the display will be. You see now on our project tracker, it's not showing at this point. What do? You refresh. You see now, welcome Isaac Olaoshebikan, shine bright today. That is it. Now, in the agenda, I said I want to make it to be more dynamic. It's not dynamic enough. Good now, our screen flow is showing well at the front end, and everything is cool with it.
Right, that's a wrap up for today's video. I hope you have picked up some valuable insights and actionable tips in Salesforce ecosystem. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumb up. If you found it helpful, I'm Asikola Oshirikan, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.